Yes. Depuis que vous êtes sending messages.
So please interview start the
I am co-director of the festival Olhares do Mediterrâneo Women's Film Festival. It is the oldest festival of women filmmakers in Portugal. We started in 2014 and this year we have our 12th edition. So I'm co-director of the festival, I'm one of the programmers and I help with the production. 1 week is not enough to understand what is going on here. Before I came, I read a bit, I tried to study a bit to know the struggle, to know the history of what is happening here, because I know it's a long history back. Now my feeling here is that I want to learn more. I'm very happy that I will stay here 1 more week after the festival. So I want to talk with the people and understand more about the place. Because when I'm here with you at the festival, I see a lot of energy, I see a lot of women doing amazing things. So it's a very strong feeling. And I see that there are here people that are doing something very important and something that is changing the world. But then on the street, I just see a normal city. So I want to understand more, because I know that outside of the festival also very important things are happening, and I need to know more. I think, first of all, I think it's a very important festival. To have a women's film festival in Rojava is a very important step. I think that the selection of films is very interesting. Some films are very, very strong, so sometimes I think, well, I would like to see maybe lighter films, because it's like life is so hard already, but then I understand we too at our festival, we show these films because we know it's important to show these films. But so I think that the selection is very interesting. By the way, we collaborated in the programming, so I'm very proud of this, our festival collaborating with this festival. And one thing that I think is super, super important, I see so many young women collaborating here. They're filming, they're taking photographs, we're having some workshops with them, and this makes me really think that things are like accelerating and going still better for the future. I think that cinema is super important as an instrument of communication and as an instrument of transformation, because the story we tell, the way we tell these stories, is super important to transform society. We are used to a mainstream narrative. We are used to history written by the winners. And it's time for the people who never had a voice to have their voice. And making cinema, making our own film, the own film of the people from Rojava, is super important to make a point and to say, we are here, this is our story, this is the future we are building. And in this, cinema, it's a very accessible way of communicating, and so it's very, very important. It can be very powerful because it touches on at the same time on the emotions of people, but at the same time it conveys knowledge, because in a film you have a story. So you're talking about events. You can describe the events as they unfold, but at the same time you can involve people in an emotional relation with the events. I just want to thank the Nûjiyan Women's Film Festival for inviting me and my friend Sarah to come here. It's an incredible honor, and it's an incredible experience to be here. And we're meeting, and I'm not saying this because I'm on the interview, this is really from the heart. We are meeting incredible people, so friendly, so open to us. And yes, I think that when I go back, my heart will stay here.
I came here at the festival in order to know this place and what the women here, what the women doing here, because we know in Italy, we know the Rojava and the women revolution of Rojava in Italy. So I'd like to see this place and to see what the women are and doing here. So I came here to see and to make a reportage, to do a reportage about you. So I didn't have a lot of opportunity for now, until now, to see your organizations, because the festival is busy and we see the movies and everything. So, but I think it's a very interesting organization. Also, it's very interesting for us, for Western countries. You know, this is a really good experiment for us to see what's happened here. So I think you will do a really important for the society. So it's an important experiment for all society, not only for Rojava or for you, but I think it's a very good experience for the world. No, I think this is the first, it's the first edition. No, it's the first edition of the festival, but I think it's very important because we can see what the strong women of Rojava were doing. So cinema, there are directors, there are TV operators, there are many, they do really a lot of things. For the Western world, for the world in general, it's a very good opportunity to know what's happened here, and for the women here to have a connection with other women in the world. So this festival, I think, is one of the opportunity. So I think it's very good to do so. Really, it's a good organization, and I hope we'll do again. You have an opportunity to improve this festival and all things that you do here, you make here, because you're really bravi.
مامي من نفس عمد قليا وقتي مش حوشي ذاك مقدرانيجي يعني تايكا أول خانة دا يعني الدرسيانجي ما ديسا دست قهرنا كذا يعني قبولنا كذا مثلا المسلمان